In Reanimal's cinema chapter, this area plays a major role in the story and is also where you can unlock the Rock and Pop achievement on Steam. Right at the building's main entrance, grab the loose brick and throw it at the popcorn machine to trigger the achievement notification. The front doors are chained, so you'll need bolt cutters. Head to the far side of town, hop the fence in the corner, and pick them up before returning to cut the cinema doors open. Inside, stay calm as the sniffer patrols. Blend in with the motionless crowd, then quietly follow him toward the back hallway. Slip through the crawl space near the garbage bin into the laundry room, crouch walk across the wet floor, and move only when machines are running to mask your sound. If spotted, hide inside a washer until he backs off. In the next section, use the bathtubs as cover and wait for the path to clear before reaching the jail cells. Grab the crowbar from the left cell and free your friend. For the escape, use the large garbage bin as a shield while the sniffer searches it, then rush to the bell door, hide under the table when he attacks, and once he leaves, pry open the exit to finish the sequence.